Hello all, I am Rushiraj and today we are going to see details about difference between array list and linked list. uh, what is the array list and linked list? What let's recall these concepts. Array list and linked list are part of the collection, and collection means a set of interfaces and classes. That's all. Array list and linked list. Array list is based on array and linked list is based on objects. Means one object calling to another object. That object contain object as well as data. This happens in this procedure includes in linked list, but in array list simple array is generated, and when array is reached its maximum index, its limit, its length means consider I have one array named as a which has length is 5. If my data is more than my data elements is more than 5 elements, then that that array named as a will be grow its length by applying some conditions, and by taking another array with a double length or 1.5 double length, which is double length of a array, and we can copy all data into the array into the b, and then give address of a array to the b address of b array to the a array. Because of this method we can create array with no limit of length. We can add the data as we can until the heap memory gets full. This is a and in this procedure, the when one array is what happened with the a array which I was discussed, that array will be stored in garbage, means cleaned by garbage collector. This procedure happens in array list, but in linked list we create one object which contains data as well as another object, and that that another object also contains data and another object, means it is a chain. This is a one object which calls another object. This is also one object, and each and every object contains object as well as an data, and this chain is known as linked list. That's all. Thank you.